Need to switch carriers, but keep your number? The Consumer Cellular app makes getting your transfer PIN quick and easy. First, make sure your account is active and in good standing. Then open the Consumer Cellular app and log in, completing two-factor authentication if prompted. On the home screen, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top left corner, and select Account Settings. Look for Transfer Number or Get Transfer PIN, often found under a Portability tab. Tap this option, confirm your identity if asked, and choose how you want to receive your PIN, either via text or email. The PIN is usually delivered within minutes. Once you receive your transfer PIN, share it only with your new carrier when they request it during the porting process. The PIN is valid for 30 days, but you can request a new one if needed. If you encounter any issues, use the app's chat feature or call Consumer Cellular support at 1-888-345-5509. For added security, the app encrypts PIN deliveries. Avoid sharing through unsecure channels. The Consumer Cellular app integrates with their online portal, so you can request a PIN from a web browser if you prefer. Also note that business accounts may require extra verification when porting.